Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a professional looking CV or resume using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the print products. And at the print products section, you have to tap on the stationery tab. And when you open this tab, you have to scroll down a little bit and you will find the resume icon. Now click on it. And then Canva is going to create for you an edit file, which already has the exact size, ratio, and quality that you need for a professional CV. And from here, you can tap on the templates icon, and then you will see that they have hundreds and thousands of different CV designs, which are all created by professional designers, and they are very beautiful. So you can use these. And to use one of these templates, you just have to tap on one of them, and then it's going to add it to your editing file. And then you can go and start customizing it. You can tap on any text box, you can change the texts, everything. You can tap on the image and you can change that as well. You can upload an image of yourself and edit here. You can add all the details you can change. You can also change the background color or the colors or the design elements that are included in the templates, so you can make it really your own, but also keeping the professional look to it, which is kind of important when you are looking for a job. If you have a very professional and nice looking CV, that can really help you getting the job. So I would really recommend using these professional templates, obviously based on the type of job that you're applying. For example, if you're a lawyer, I'm sure that you wouldn't use such like very light-hearted and open and maybe a little bit funny template, but there are different types for different specific persons. I mean, you can have your own style and use that kind of template. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.